Train attachments can now be animated. This makes train carts suitable for more than just trains, but also for other kinds of rides, elevators, you name it. This feature requires some knowledge of the attachment system, so I recommend watching the previous video first. With animations, you can change the position of an attachment in real time. Multiple animations can play at once, this way creating an animation like this funfair ride. You can trigger animations using commands or using signs. Some animations come built in, like rotate, pitch and roll. Enabling the looped option causes the animation to continue playing when the end is reached. Reset causes the animation to reset to the first frame of the animation whenever it's initiated. The speed option changes how fast the animation plays, where a negative value can be used to play the animation in reverse. Let's make a quick animation. Go to the animation tab and create a new animation. I'm gonna name my animation Test. This creates a default animation consisting of 4 rotated animation frames. You can select these animation frames and edit them. I'm gonna make this one go up. This one goes down a little bit. And this one goes a bit to the left. Time to review your animation. You can use the forwards and reverse playback button. As you can see, it plays a little bit fast right now, so let's change the speed. That's already much better. Now let's add a few more animation frames to it. To do so, use the duplicate function. We want our animation to return to the origin position, so let's first change set back to 0 and duplicate again, and now also set the Y value back to 0. Now we have a fully loopable animation. Finally, let's place down a sign so you can play this animation using redstone. I should mention that the children of an attachment are also animated when the parent is animated. This is how most of the animations in this video were done. For those that were wondering, here are all the animations used for the funfair ride you saw before. All these animations play at the same time. This creates the piston effect and the rotating and the spinning. It might seem daunting, but I'm sure if you play around a bit with it, eventually you will fully understand how all these things work. Start simple and work your way up. And that's the end of this video. If you need more help with this feature or other features of TrainCarts, you can join our Discord server.